The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Huron County in north-central Ohio, Erie County in north-central Ohio, west-central Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County in north-central Ohio, until 5:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near northern Milan, or 9 miles west of western Vermilion, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $50 size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lorain, Elyria, Norwalk, Western Vermilion, Vermilion, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Amherst, Grafton, Wellington, Northern Milan, Milan, Wakeman, Avon, Sheffield Lake, Eaton, Oberlin, Sheffield, Lagrange, and Penfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.